Hello friends, today there will be a review of the Xiaomi Mi Box S 4K TV set-top box. I have never dealt with such consoles before, and if I figure it out, you can easily do it too. In short, I understood the following. This is a full-fledged Android control of the TV. Everything is almost the same as on the phone, where you can download any application from Google Play and install and use it just like on your phone. You will also be able to download any applications for watching movies and music, as well as simply go to the browser and find the information you need. Moreover, you can install any messengers such as Facebook and others. You can also install marketplaces and buy goods online directly from your TV. Also, you now no longer need a separate wire for TV channels, and you no longer need to run extra wires to search for channels, and you no longer need an antenna. Let's quickly open this box and see what's there, and then we'll connect it to the TV and set it up. And friends, this is our stationary smart set-top box based on Android operating system version 8.1, Amlogic processor model S905X, number of processor cores 4, built-in memory 8GB, the amount of RAM is 2GB, power input AV1, there is also an HDMI input, Wi-Fi support is available, Wi-Fi standard 802.11. There is Bluetooth support, Bluetooth version 4.2, connector for removable USB media, maximum resolution 4K, support for IPTV protocols and profiles is long. There is also 3D support. Additional functions include the YouTube service and download manager. The kit also comes with a remote control and voice control. Well friends, I connected the set-top box to the TV, just connect the power supply and the HDMI cable and you're done. After that we get to this menu. Here we select the language. I will choose Russian. Next we have a choice of region, I will choose Russia. And then I had a problem. I need to finish the setup using my phone, and I'm currently filming this video on my phone. Let me skip this step for now and come back to it later. Next, select the Wi-Fi network. Then enter the password. There is an internet connection. The set-top box only works via Wi-Fi. You cannot connect an internet cable there. The setup is underway now, let's wait. Next, we can log in either from our Google account profile or create a new one, or we can skip this step for now. I'll skip this step for now and come back to it later. Next you need to accept the terms of use. Geodata, let's click the Yes button. Here we are offered to install the Air console. Let's press the Yes button. There is an excellent function to stream media content from your phone to your TV. What is shown on your phone can now be displayed on your TV. You can connect music or video and more. We accept the terms of use. Let's check how YouTube works for us.
Привет, друзья! Сегодня у нас на ремонте Xiaomi. Полное название не знаю, будет в описании. Итак, телефон, короче.
So friends, regarding the operation of the console, I will say the following. It works fast enough. I don't feel any breaks. The clickability is excellent. It responds quickly to clicks. The work will also depend on your internet and Wi-Fi router. If you have a good one, Then there should be no slowdowns. You will find a link to my review of the new Wi-Fi router under the view. If you are interested, go and have a look. The video rewinds quite quickly. Let's see what video settings we have on the video. The maximum video quality is set, as you can see. The delay is in milliseconds. It is quite fast and comfortable to use this device. If you compare it with the built-in Android system in the TV, this TV set-top box works much faster. So let's get out of here. I just went to my Russian language YouTube channel. As you can see, everything is streaming quickly. Everything works just as quickly on the main page. Everything is great. Let's now go to the main menu of the TV set-top box. In order to use the voice assistant function, we need to add a Google profile here. This can be done by going to Settings. Here you can also select a Wi-Fi network. And at the top we have a hint to complete the setup. Let's try going to the Application tab. Since we've already gone into the settings, let's take a look and see what we have here. In the settings we have the same as on a regular phone. Everything is the same. In the settings you can also check whether there is a system update. We have some kind of update, and let's try to update the TV set-top box to the latest version. The update size is 683 GB. After that, we'll see if the update will affect the operation of the device for the worse. Now we'll check it. The update took us about 3 minutes. Let's now press the restart button. And so friends, our Android has been updated. It took about 5 minutes. Let's check if the TV has become worse. I see that new tabs with TV channels have appeared. Let's turn on the Discovery channel. And we are again told that we need to first connect a Google account. Let's connect your Google account. We have a standard window for logging into your Google account. Enter your username and password. I created a separate account for the TV because my children will watch it, and I will make some restrictions for them, so that they don't watch bad content. Now we are in the main menu, and let's check the voice assistant. Let's try to open YouTube. As you can see, it works perfectly. Let me tell you how to remove any installed application. Just hold the OK button on the remote for a long time and a menu will appear where you can move or delete it. Let's go to Google Play. Here you can download games, applications, social networks and whatever you want, just like on your phone. Now you don't need additional wires for your TV, just a set-top box. Well friends, I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and like it. To the soon friend.